Let's begin to answer this question. What is local SEO? Local SEO is an effort to rank in things like this, which is the local pack results, which is a knowledge panel that shows local businesses based upon the query that's been put in. In this case, coffee shops, Ballard, Seattle, gives me this little local pack result. It also, if you expand that out, looks at map results broadly. These are the Google map results, but it also includes Bing map results and a myriad of different applications that draw upon local listings to provide value to their users. So local SEO is not just about showing up in that one place on Google, but also about making sure that you show up in any place where people might be able to provide value to the business. One of the central places where this listing gets generated, the listing being the thing that shows up within those map results, is the Google My Business interface, because Google represents the largest portion of search worldwide. We tend to focus on things that are beneficial for your placement and your ranks in Google. Now, there is some guidance that Google provides, including this thing called the Guidelines for Representing Your Business on Google, that shows things like what are eligible businesses, what kinds of businesses are actually able to show up in those map pack results versus those that are not. So there is a document that describes this as it relates to how to fill out your Google My Business account information. Broadly speaking, though, there are two attributes that need to be covered by a business. One is that they have to have a physical address. There must be a physical address for that business, and they also have to meet face-to-face with their customers. These two things must be a part of that business model. Otherwise, they are not eligible. The listing itself exists within this broad ecosystem. Listings are transmitted through a variety of different sources out to all of these different map results and applications and places that rely on local business listings, again, to provide value to their users. So a listing itself is not a standalone. The listing gets distributed or propagated through the ecosystem. There are many factors that relate to local SEO. This graph is representative of it. You will find other graphs that maybe the percentages are slightly different, but just keep in mind that this is directional in nature of how to think about the kinds of ranking factors that come together to produce a local pack result. You will obviously see that there are many local signals that are specific to a local business. Things like the Google My Business account information, the citations that you have, reviews, and then user behavior. But it also consists of traditional SEO signals. These are sizable parts of the ranking factors that go into a local pack result. So keep that in mind. Local SEO is not just its own thing. It is an augmentation or an addition to the kinds of traditional SEO activities that are used. Main point being, it's more than just listing management. We might think of the goal of local SEO as being one of these types of things, but we should really focus our efforts on one of them. They're highly related to one another, but if you take a moment and think, which of these is the best goal for local SEO? Oftentimes people will choose reviews. Sometimes people will look at those rankings alone. But the best answer is to say what we want to do with local SEO is to produce more brand interactions for our business or for our client businesses. So what is the goal of local SEO? Improving interactions from organic map results and local search intent queries wherever they exist. So what counts as an interaction? What is these interactions? What does that mean? Well, if we look at a local pack result and click through into it, we can see there are many opportunities for people to interact with it. Here we see you can click on the website, or you can call the phone number, or you can ask a question. Those are common types of things. We can also see that down below there are other actions or interactions called reviews and similar. Depending upon the business type, you can do things like book rooms, find tables, make reservations. There's a lot of different opportunities to increase the touch points with customers using these local pack results. At the end of the day, though, the main objective, of course, none of these interactions can take place unless you show up in the local pack results in search. So that becomes our path along the way to improving those interactions. And that is how we would look at local SEO.